Hello and welcome back to this. um, so I thought 25-pound bag of plaster would probably get both of these, but you can see that's empty. This is full, barely, just got enough in there to fill it. So in about an hour or so, I should be able to take the board off of that and start sanding and doing whatever. Now, I thought this board would be pretty good as far as holding shape, but flat it did fine. But you look down from the top, front's not too bad, but the one side bulges, so that didn't hold its shape as well as I'd hoped, and I'm going to have to do some sanding to get that the shape I wanted. But then again, that's also why I did it with plaster first. So this is all a learning experience for me. Hopefully it helps you learn something about making things you've never made before. Next time I think I will use a actual wood or something. I have to figure out something that's a little stronger than this backing board stuff that one should probably be fine because it's only going to lay on the ground and the sides are very thin. But I'm thinking that's probably going to use just as much as the cement or the plaster as this one did, so I need a whole nother 25 pounds to do that. Should have bought two, whatever. So greenhouse base, front wall. It's my first mold. I made it in March. It is now mid-July. Finally poured some stuff in it. Hey! So you can see I'm coming right along on all my projects. Anyway, that wasn't as clean and fearlessly done as I thought it might be. But I think the end result when I take this off is going to be okay. So, there you go. I'm done talking about it until I tear it apart. So, we'll see what happens then. Goodbye.